What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be playing like Fortnite, and this video is actually gonna be unique
because we have a guest here. His name is Jasper.
Jasper Hadley.
Say hi, Jasper.
Those being so dramatic.
Bro got.
But I thought we was gonna do a no scope.
Bro's got no scope.
What do you mean? It's literally.
And you here with Royal Beast 999 and Real Gamer Guest YT. Let's get into it. Have fun.
All right. Where? So. Oh yeah, I forgot to get XP. I need to get the XP so I can get that skin, the icy skin. It's called the icy skin. Bro, yes it is.
I bet Roby's 999 is gonna get fired.
No, it isn't.
Bro got killed by Jasper. Bro got no scoped again.
Literally, I literally had a better sniper than me. Literally, I literally had the heavy sniper rifle, and it's trash. Don't go in my team. Got the XP. Bro, how'd you do that? Getting slurp juice. Okay, why do I need the slurp juice? Because you're everyone knows you're gonna rush me. Literally, I don't. Bro,
the storm's coming. Bro got killed again.
I'm dead.
Bro got killed again. Bro got killed again.
How?
No scoped again. Subscribe to Royal Beast 999.
I'm not bad at Fortnite. It's just because I'm lagging.
You're not lagging.
I am.
Okay, I can see when you're lagging. Jasper.
I'm feeling lonely, having literally the least skins. All I have is this ugly Goku skin. It looks so ugly. His head is so fat. Yeah, I have 5 skins, including you. Yeah, they're trash. They're literally for free. You see?
The storm's coming.
It doesn't matter. We're doing a no scope battle.
Vilma.
Wait, but Jasper, Jasper, put them with the cones, cause I can't. Stop. Yusuf, don't kill me. Stop. I didn't get the right sniper. Why are you shooting? Sandstorm. Jasper's gonna win.
Bro, Yusuf.
What I snipe? I'm lagging so badly. Let me heal. Cause we're in storm. Let me heal. We're in storm. Let us heal. Let me reload, dude.
Yusuf.
Hit you.
You're on YouTube.
No, let me reload. Please, let me reload. Finish. You tried.
You won the round tower. Yeah, you won the round tower.
Guys, 2v1 me. Guys, 2v1 me. Yay. Drop all your weapons. Drop it. Don't drop your heals. Don't drop your heals except for me. What are you gonna do? Don't use the 2 OP sniper. But first I 1v1 Jasper, then second I 1v1 Yusuf. Fine. I know, man.
No scope, God, bro.
Bro, you're hacking. How'd you hit me? Don't. No using OP snipers. No using OP snipers. Guys, stop. Stop. Bruh. Guys, we got clapped. I'm gonna drop all my weapons. I'm not scared. But don't get me involved in it. If you do, I'm gonna block you. But I'm literally recording. I'm not copying you. I started recording before you. Stop Yeah, but Yusuf, why'd you call me a copycat? I was literally the one who started. I was the one who's literally. I started first before you. Really?
Are we coming back tomorrow, puppy? Puppy. Puppy. Puppy.
Oh!
Puppy. Are we coming back tomorrow?
Bro! Why can't... But why... But wait,
Wait, Tyrone's Africa.
But that's not fair. God, that's not fair. I have the lowest level. I have the lowest level. That's not fair, guys. You always ask for 3 kills, but I never get 3 kills.
Hola, Petty. What's up? Subscribe. Subscribe to both of our channels, actually.
Wait, that's why I have 72 skins. Guys, why can't I get 3 elim? Literally. I'm the lowest level here. Plus, I have the lowest skins. Because all of you flex over time like your bots. Guys, like, I will just use the best sniper. Just kidding. Okay, guys. Someone else just started recording and literally copied me like a copycat.
In it, like someone recorded, like, bro, like it was Yusuf, bro.
Yeah, literally.
All I said is like,
but guys, we will be ending the. No, we won't.
We'll be ending the video in actually 2 minutes time. But
so easy to just go. Cause I'm bad at it. I'm bad at it. Let me reload. Please. Guys, I'm actually. Let's go, guys. I hit him 400. No! Bro, you healed. You healed. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Bye guys, see you later. We'll be ending the video because both of them are